Mama of anything that is trending fashionably, Maya Kramer. Oh my God! Oh my God!
Oh God.
Happy Halloween!
Happy Halloween! Wait a second, I've got to whip. I can't explain this because sadly television is not a scratch and sniff medium because we are.
Is this a costume?
This is like a coconut. This is like a
costume?
wow!
I am Miss.
Can I? You Miss
Tropicana?
Wait, I always wanted to do this. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Thank you. Another one.
Miss Hawaiian Tropic.
Miss Hawaiian
Yeah.
Tropic.
Hi, everybody.
Miss Hawaiian. Oh, bravo. I know. You're shocked. You're terrified. You're
We're all speechless here.
I think, oh my God, I feel so fat right now. What have you brought me?
Well,
Yes.
I have brought gifts for everyone. I know that it is Halloween in 4 days, right? But we're going to be celebrating today, and I'm going to give you ideas for costumes.
Please.
Yeah, you're not going to be wearing a bathing suit.
No,
I'm
that's
sorry.
not going to happen for me.
But, you know, I'm kind of here to help out.
Yes.
So as a beauty pageant
Gorgeous woman,
contestant,
yes.
I thought maybe like red hair would work for you just for today.
Definitely.
And, you know, Catwoman is also really popular, so just
But I've
put
got
the
one
head on.
for you. I mean, I've got one that, okay, thank you.
Yeah, here's one. Now, I'm just going to talk a little bit about, you
that's pretty
probably
odd.
think,
You're
yeah,
putting this on.
Ami's going to have his costume in a minute.
In a minute. Oh.
Yes.
Yes.
So I'm guessing you probably think what the most popular costumes are probably Trump and Clinton,
Yeah.
right? They're not the most popular
No,
ones.
not at all.
They're not the most.
Okay.
But they're, you know, Donald Trump masks are selling like hot
crazy.
cakes.
This is not working
Oh, there
for
we
me.
go. Yeah.
There we go.
Yeah,
Okay.
perfect. Exactly.
There you go. Thank you. Thank you.
Oh my God, will you date me?
Such a
We
nasty
could totally
woman.
be a
Such a nasty woman.
Thank you.
That woman
Love
was
you.
gorgeous. Now, you're not impressed with my behind, are you? No,
I wasn't
there's
impressed
that.
when you
there's
walked in
that.
front of me.
Yeah.
Such a nasty woman.
Yes, so everyone's turning to Hillary and Donald
Right.
masks, as you can see. Although, you know, Donald Trump is selling much more, like 3 times more than Hillary Clinton is.
No, listen, I got these in the UK. Okay, I got these in London over the summer. And I found Donald Trump in a second. The idea came from Donald Trump. It took me 4 days to go through shops and find Hillary. Nobody wants a Hillary.
Yeah, everyone wants to be Donald.
Yeah.
But that may change soon. But some of people have taken it to like a whole other level. We have a picture of Bernie Sanders, Hillary Clinton, and Donald Trump.
Yes, please.
Taking it like in a very unique way. Do we have that picture?
Oh.
Yeah. Look at Hillary.
Yeah.
She's
Yeah,
looking hot,
yeah,
right?
yeah. That makes sense. That makes sense.
Also, someone chose to be the possible first lady. Oh my God, I said first lady.
You said first
Did
lady?
I just say first lady? I so wish she was the first lady.
Oh my
You know who
God.
that is? That's the British journalist, Jemima Khan.
She looks exactly like her.
Exactly like her.
Looks
And that looks exactly like
Melania.
him.
Yes, yes. Oh, wow.
And another thing that's going to be like really fun, and we're going to see a lot this Halloween, is people decorating their houses Trump style. I kind of want to decorate my house Trump style. Do we have? Oh my God! Do you see what it says?
Yeah.
Grab them by the.
I make my products
vajayjay.
by the
Very
vajayjay.
good.
Thank you.
Taxes
Donald
buried here.
taxes buried here. Nice.
How original is
Grab them
this?
by the. That would be a cat.
By the
also known
cat.
as a
Grab them
pussy.
by the cat.
Okay.
Did
No,
you
it's
just
a cat.
say that?
Yes, I did.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
So.
By the way, and that's what Borovich is dressed as. Okay. So,
Yes. Yeah. Exactly. Grab them by the.
yeah.
Proud to be.
Yes.
Okay.
So the most popular costume this year, Harley Quinn from Suicide Squad. I mean,
course.
that you're gonna see that everywhere. And yeah, just in case you want to be her for Halloween, you need to just accentuate your eyebrows a bit, wear blue and red eyeshadow, and buy a baseball bat
And buy
if you
a
don't have
baseball
one.
bat.
And just bash everyone.
I'm game.
Other popular ones are the Joker, Catwoman, Ghostbusters, Pikachu. But you cannot have a Halloween without the Kardashian clan, right? So you would think, you know, last year it was Caitlyn Jenner.
Right, I can forget.
Who would you guess would be this year's
Oh
popular
my God. With Kardashian.
Halloween Kardashian? So in honor of this,
Yes.
I don't have a big pillow to stuff
Paris
your
Strawberry.
bum.
Yeah, that is fine.
Ami Catch, this is your new hair.
Right?
And
Okay.
here's your baseball cap.
Thank you.
Where's the bottom
Rob
of this, though?
Kardashian, just stick it
Rob
on your
Kardashian.
head. It doesn't
Lovely.
matter. And if you
Okay.
have a pillow, you just stuff your belly with it. And if you want to dress up as China,
Right.
you just need to stuff another pillow in your butt.
Just, I gotta tell you that.
And then you two
after the
could
holidays,
be
I don't need the
Rob
pillow.
Kardashian
This is Rob
and
Kardashian?
China. Yeah.
Brilliant.
Yeah, totally.
Ami,
I
hate to
just
say
need an
that, Ami, I gotta
oversized
tell you,
black
you know what this
t-shirt.
looks like? This looks like the picture you showed me of you being 18 years old. But yeah, they're very good.
Now some
Very good.
Yes.
It's more like Mike Myers, I think. Yeah.
Yes. Wayne's World.
Wayne's World.
It's Wayne's World.
Okay,
Oh,
yeah. I mean,
yeah.
he needs
Yeah.
a china next to him,
Okay.
so I
No, I'll
respect
sit
that.
with you on this as well. Don't worry. This is Halloween. And
Yes. Okay, so some of the most chilling stories. Airbnb has done this really cool thing. They've put up Transylvania's Brand Castle up for dibs, I guess, on
Yes.
their site. I actually went on and signed up. It's a competition, and 2 guests get to stay in this
that's very
in
cool.
this beautiful castle and haunted castle.
and Dracula's.
And it's
Yeah.
hosted by the great grandnephew of Bram Stoker, which is
Brilliant.
Dacre
The
Stoker.
man who wrote the
Yes.
yes.
And you spend your night there, and you spend the days like going in through the nooks and
How
crannies
do you
in the
win it?
castle. So I entered to win. They asked, what would be the first thing you would say to the Count if you will encounter him? What would you guys say?
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Oh, I'd say bite me.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'd say
That's
bite me.
good. That's good. Yeah, you're
just bite
good.
me.
You're
And-
good.
But I gotta tell you, did you send them a picture of you? Because I think you're winning.
Well, you can't send pictures, but
Damn.
I said I'd want him to spend the night with me.
Of course.
Of course.
Of course.
You know, take a bite out of this.
Oh, wow.
So hot in here, isn't
That's
it?
incredibly
Oh
hot.
my
I think
God.
you need more spray.
Yeah, I do.
but yeah, I'm also
It's for my
taking
chest,
pictures.
my
Wait,
chest,
For your
yeah.
chest, for your chest. Okay, thank you. I
thanks.
always wanted to do that. Yes. And more.
And now we're gonna get to animals because I love those furry pets. In honor of the Tompkins Square Animal Parade, we know this happens
Yes, I
every year. We
know.
love that.
I know.
Yes.
Used to
So
love
Elsa from Frozen is not the hottest costume this year, but that didn't stop. Oh my God, we forgot about Mariah Carey.
Mariah
Should we go
Carey?
back to Mariah Carey?
Want to talk about Mariah Carey?
Do we have time for Mariah Carey?
Yeah, a little bit.
Okay, so
Real
Mariah
quick.
Carey, yes, she has a party every year, and of course, you know, look at her costume; it's very suiting to a family filmed
was
affair.
about to say.
Yes, that was kind of
The
the
kid
hot.
looks very comfortable.
Yes, I mean, I don't know about you guys, but there's a time and place to look like a prostitute. I mean, a devil.
yeah.
A devil. Did I just say that? But in case.
I was just going to ask, are those real
I was talking
costumes?
this. Yeah, is that a real costume? Okay.
Yeah. But in case you want to go trick or treating with your kids, Yael,
Yes.
if you want to go trick or treating with your kids, all you need is a red corset, lace-up platform boots,
Yes.
devil horns, and a pitchfork.
Of course.
Yes. Can we get to the animals really quick?
Yes, we're putting
Yeah.
the-
So you know, as I
'Cause I
said,
got a treat for
Elsa.
you, yeah.
Yes. So Elsa is not the most popular costume this year, but
Thank
that did
Allah.
not stop Shelby the dog from dressing up as Elsa to be Shelby the dog. Oh, so cute. And who said?
that dog is going? Somebody save me. Okay.
Yeah. He's like,
and-
I hate my life.
Yeah.
And who said lizards don't celebrate holidays too?
Okay.
Here we have a dragon lizard named Dexter, dressed as the frog who turned into a prince. So cute. So he's dressed as a frog. The lizard is dressed as a frog.
Okay.
And the last, of course, how could you end the show without a dog dressed as Trump?
Yes.
Right? We had this last year too, but this one was a really good one.
God, we've been
I
living
mean,
with
kind
this
of
for a
looks
year.
like you if you would wear like a blonde wig
Yeah.
and the tie and everything, the outfit.
I'll
I
take that
just
as
put
a
my
compliment.
elbow in my coffee. Okay, wait. Okay, this is the time. This is a treat. And the studio does smell like Hawaii. It's phenomenal. Okay, it's coconut something. Oh, Ami Kaufman with the viral spiral. That is the web review for the short time we have, but this is important.
Yeah, you found this one for me. That was an
Yes.
interesting, it's a nice little tweet. If we can show the picture,
Please.
a guy who thought how to trick kids who are trick or treating. Try dipping Brussels sprouts in chocolate for them. That'll get the kids
I
a bit
gotta read the
angry.
headline. The perfect treat for
Yeah.
children you hate.
Yeah. That's a nice
This
one.
Halloween, I think there was one in them was also an onion dipped in chocolate, like a
Yeah,
red
so-
onion.
So mean.
I know. I've been making those last night. Yes, and
Justin Timberlake went to
He's so hot.
take it.
no VTR. Okay.
Yeah, he took a picture of himself while he was voting. You know, early voting started
Yeah.
in Memphis. So here's a picture. He might have broken the law apparently because you're not allowed to take pictures and show yourself voting in certain
Right.
states. But Tennessee authorities said they will not prosecute him and he's free
Because
to go.
he's Justin Timberlake.
Yeah.
So we have
Justin
40
Timberlake.
seconds to go. We're gonna keep this for Sunday.
I don't know. You want to keep it? You know what? I
Yeah.
have one last thing to say,
I
which
got-
is good news.
Yeah.
ABBA is reunited.
Yes! Okay. Dancing Queen, young and sweet, only 17. Okay, we'll be out for the weekend. Please join us Sunday again.
Friday night and the lights
Tina, Tina,